Is IELTS hard? Well, that's a great question, but it depends on two things. The first thing is how good your English is, and the second thing is how much you prepare or how much you don't prepare. Let's pretend that you have very good English and you prepare well. Well, IELTS is going to be easy for you. You'll probably get a very high score, probably an 8 or a 9. Let's pretend you have very good English, but you don't prepare. Well, IELTS might be a little bit difficult because you might not know what to do, but you should still get a high score, so probably a 7 or higher. Let's pretend you have average English and you prepare very well. Well, IELTS will probably be medium difficulty. You'll probably get an okay score, around 6 or maybe a bit more. Let's pretend you have average English and you don't prepare. Well, IELTS is going to be very hard for you. You're probably going to get a low score, maybe a band 4 or a band 5. So these are just some general rules. It might not always be like this. It really depends on the student. So if your English is average or above average and you do prepare, the test probably won't be that difficult. It's all up to how much work you do or how much work you don't do.